Okay, we've got Quacker Factory in the show. This is our dream jeans, a style, or I should more say a fabric, that's been wildly loved here at QVC. So much that not only is it a pillar in the brand of Quacker Factory, but over 4.8 million dream jeans have been spoken for. Now this one is their crop, but you've got the sweetest scallop hem and a little sparkle finish. They're perfection and absolutely adorable. They're the only order of the year, and what you're looking at too is an encore presentation of our big deal. So they're relatively new. We just launched these just earlier this week, and you get another look at them. The problem is with 6,000 spoken for, a lot of colors and sizes are getting limited. It's also the only order of the entire year. You're gonna want your crop pants, especially with a little sparkle. So this first one, oh, and they're also available in petite and regular, which we'll talk about those inseams, but I have medium wash. We have it in a really beautiful white. Here's your sand. We go to shadow pink and then to dark indigo. Dream jeans are normally $62. These have sparkle and now they're $50.98. It's a run, don't walk. Angel Smedley's hanging with us. We're gonna dream on in comfort.
I love it. Hello, my friend.
It's so good to see you.
Nice to see you
okay,
too.
So
Thank you.
4.8 million. This is one, if you're gonna talk about a brand, this is one of the pillar fabrics is dream jeans.
Yes.
Because so many women that have turned away from jeans merely for the fact of comfort can now enter back into jeans.
Absolutely. And that was Jean Bice's dream, hence the name Dream Jeans trademark. You know, because she had given up on wearing denim. She said, there has to be something else. She found this fabric and said, I can't be the only one. She brought it to QVC. We debuted in September of 2010. And as Ali so beautifully said, over 4.8 million sold, over 100 different silhouettes. And we started with only 3. And the secret sauce has always been the fabric. 96% cotton, 4% spandex. It's actually a knit French terry that is dyed to look like denim. Ooh. We identify all of our dream jeans with that signature heart, so you know it's that fabric we've come to know and love. This fits like a slim leg, so it's just gonna ease from the waist down to the ankle. We gave you a little extra stitch in the waistband, which helps with twisting of elastic, which sometimes happens.
Good point.
But don't worry, it's not restrictive. You're still getting that nice stretch. 5-pocket styling. And then, Ali, I don't know if you know this, but last January, we had a very similar pant.
Okay.
And I had it in the overnight. So like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., something like that. And we couldn't present it again because it was like gone.
Oh my gosh.
The customer found it.
Even while half the world was sleeping?
Yes.
Okay.
And so
well, you're not sleeping right now.
Right. So our team was like, we need to do this again. So we brought it back in a big way.
Oh, good. And here's in a big way, because it's a big deal.
Wah, wah.
Which really does mean get it before it's gone.
Yes.
You love crop styles. Shorts aren't for you, but the weather heats up. It's the perfect silhouette. Now you can order petite or regular.
Short. I hate to correct you.
Oh, thank you. No,
it's
please
short.
correct me. It is short.
It's
okay.
short.
So, because that's a 23-inch inseam. And then we also have the 25-inch inseam, extra, extra small through 5X. I don't have Heather and Alex's sizes with me, but I think we put their size chart up, so I'll call that out when that hops up on the screen. But Quacker Factory is the same sizing. If you know your Denim & Company size,
yes,
whatever your QVC brand is,
100%.
It's the same. If anything, it's even more gracious because of the stretch.
Yes, it really is. It's comfortable, it's easy, pull-on style, cute little bit of sparkle because we should spark. What does your mom always say to you before your pageants?
Oh, sparkle and shine.
Sparkle and shine.
It's like a little good luck. Like, hey, sparkle and shine.
Yep, so you can sparkle and shine every day, whether you're in a pageant or just walking from your car to the office.
Oh, aisle 9 at the grocery store could be your pageant.
I follow this. I see this guy on Instagram that does these dances in the aisle of the supermarket. I'm like, I really want to bump into him.
Sand. We also have the medium denim.
And dark indigo.
And then we also have it in your dark indigo. You got to, listen, you got to have fun.
You have to have fun.
You have to have fun. You got to spread a little sparkle. If you love things that sparkle, that glisten, this is such a fun way to do it.
The scallop is so sweet.
So pretty.
And you can, you know, I wore a boot. And I wore like looking ahead to spring, but I wore a bootie so you could see that it's just resting above. I'm 5'8". I'm wearing the 1X in the regular length. Could I throw in why we call it short?
Yeah.
Okay. So we call it short because Jean Bice would always say, I'm short, I'm not petite. I still need that full rise. And so the rises are the same in the short and the regular. Your only measurement difference is that inseam. So that also means, because there's not a petite rise, is that if you wanted a full-length jean in this, because you're so petite, you could get the regular
Good
length.
point.
If you wanted a shorter cropped pant,
Right.
you could get the short, because it would hit you, higher on the leg. So a lot of people get two options depending upon what footwear they plan to wear. And the beauty of this is you can start wearing this as soon as you get this home.
Oh, completely,
Like
with a boot.
I'm wearing a long sleeve and a little boot.
Or with even darling, the crop with a sneaker is adorable.
Oh, I love that too. I've been doing that all
week. To show
week.
a little bit of the ankle, I promise you that is a great look. This is your pink choice. We just saw Heather. She does wear the 2X, and Alex was in the extra small. Now, this is an encore presentation, so if you want the pink, we only have 300 in that regular and then 150 in the short. If you want the white, you got to get a move on it, because it's the only order of the year, and we have 500 in the regular and 200 in the short.
Oh boy.
Okay, and then the sand, 350 in the regular, and then about 100 in the short. That will be sand through an hourglass before we know it. And then the medium wash. Now, this is the most popular. Everybody's grabbing the medium wash and then another color. There's 600 in the regular, and then about 150 in the short. That's not many.
No. And
Dark indigo.
Yep.
4 dozen in the regular, 4 dozen in the short.
I didn't realize we were that limited. I would have worn a different color.
This,
My
if it's in your
apologies.
cart, be sure to check out Make It Yours. It's the only order of the entire year, with only those couple hundreds in each washes and lengths remaining. These will go very quickly. Look how sweet it looks on your ankle.
I love it. And then here's the thing. I'm wearing it with a boot now. I'm wearing it with a Valentine's Day themed top, which is available. It's Quacker. It's available in our shop on QVC.com. But then I'll be wearing it with flip-flops and short sleeve t-shirts as the weather changes.
Now, the most important question, though, if you were to wear these on Sunday, is there an accent color that you would pair with them?
Green. Okay. Go Birds.
Okay, just in case there was any...
Did you get that?
I think, yeah.
Am I enthusiastic enough?
Listen, these are $50 for DreamJeannes. If you have turned away from jeans, because I get it, they can be uncomfortable. The fit is tricky. You step into DreamJeannes, which is why 4.8 million have been sold.
Yes.
Here's your pink. We have the white, the sand, medium, and indigo. You get them home for $16.99 and 3 easy payments. Now, how do you spell Eagles? That's the other.
E-A-G-L-E-S. Eagles.
Angel, thank you. Well done. Well done. Okay, so we were talking a little sparkle and shine. This is where we get into luxe sparkle and shine.